Good morning, dear students. We have already learned the properties of multiplication of rational numbers. So now let us learn some of the properties of division of rational numbers. Properties of division of rational number. The first property is closure property of division. Closure property of division states that if A and B, A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers such that C by D is not equal to 0, then A upon B divided by C upon D is equal to E upon F is also a rational number. That is, if you divide one rational number by a non-zero rational number C upon D, the answer that you get, which is called the quotient, will be a rational number. For example, if 2 upon 3 is divided by 4 upon 5, that is 2 upon 3 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 4 upon 5, which is equal to 5 upon 4. When you do cancellation, what do you get? 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 5 upon 3 2s are 6. So when you divide 2 upon 3 by 4 upon 5, you get an answer 5 upon 6. So here if these two are rational numbers, then this is also a rational number. This is closure property of division. Now the next properties is commutative property, and the third property is associative property. But in integers we have already learnt commutative property and associative property of division is not true. Just like that, just like integers, division of rational numbers is neither commutative nor associative. That means both these properties are not true for division. That is, A upon B divided by C upon D is not equal to C upon D divided by A upon B. But in some case it will be true. When it will be true? If A upon B is equal to C upon D. That means these two rational numbers are same. When you divide a rational number by another rational number which is equal, means if these two rational numbers are same, when a rational number is divided by the same rational number, we get 1. So in that particular case it will be true. So A upon B divided by C upon D is not equal to C upon D divided by A upon B, except for A upon B equal to C upon D. See, if for these two rational numbers it is not true, then if you take more than two rational numbers, that is associative property also will not be true for division of rational numbers. See the statement, A upon B divided by C upon D divided by E upon F is not equal to A upon B divided by C upon D divided by E upon F. Let us just check with one example. See here, 2 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 5. Let us do it. 2 upon 3, division will turn into multiplication. Multiply by the reciprocal, that is 5 upon 4. So when you divide, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you get 5 upon 3 2s are 6. Let us see here, when you divide 4 upon 5 by 2 upon 3, what will you get? 4 upon 5 will remain the same. Division will turn into multiplication. 2 upon 3 we have to change into its reciprocal, that is 3 upon 2. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 upon 5. So division, here you got 5 upon 6, and here when you change the order we got reciprocal. So division is not commutative. So what does it say? If it is not equal for two rational numbers, then it is not equal for more than two rational numbers. That is, if it is not commutative, then it is not possible to be associative. Now there are some special properties of 1. Property of 1 and minus 1. When we learned the properties of multiplication, we learned that when you multiply any rational number by 1, we get the same number. Here also, when we divide any rational number by 1, we get the same rational number. In multiplication, we learned when you multiply any rational number by minus 1, we get its opposite or its additive inverse. So here also when you divide any rational number by minus 1, we get its opposite. That is, if a by b is divided by 1, we get a by b, and when a by b is divided by minus 1, we get minus a by b. Another property is division of a rational number by itself. When we divide any rational number by the same rational number, we always get 1. That is, if a by b is divided by a by b, then we get the answer 1. Also, when any rational number is divided by its additive inverse or its opposite, we will get minus 1. That is, a by b when divided by minus a by b, we get minus 1. This is all about the properties of division. Thank you.